Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I would be happy if you subscribe to my channel before the video. Let's go to the video.
Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. It's a nice day. The sun is shining and I feel happy.
Yes, the weather is beautiful. Do you want to sit outside?
Yes, let's sit at that table near the window. It has a nice view of the street.
What do you want to drink?
I think I want a cappuccino. What about you?
I want a black coffee. I need energy today.
Haha, yes. You always drink black coffee. You like strong coffee, right?
Yes, I do. I don't like sweet drinks.
I like sweet drinks. Sometimes I drink hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate is nice, but I prefer coffee.
Hello. What can I get for you?
Hi. I would like a black coffee, please.
And I would like a cappuccino, please.
Great. Anything else?
Do you have chocolate cake?
Yes, we do. It's very good.
Okay, I will take one piece.
I don't want anything to eat.
All right. One black coffee, one cappuccino, and one piece of chocolate cake.
Yes, thank you.
I will bring it soon.
You always order dessert.
Yes. I love sweet things. Chocolate is my favorite.
Do you eat chocolate every day?
Not every day, but maybe 3 times a week.
That's a lot.
Haha, maybe. But it makes me happy.
That's true. It's important to enjoy small things.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This cappuccino is good.
Yes, my coffee is strong. Just how I like it.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, every morning. I can't start my day without coffee.
I usually drink tea in the morning.
Tea is nice too. Do you drink it with sugar?
Sometimes. I like green tea with honey.
That sounds good.
David, what do you usually do on weekends?
On Saturdays, I clean my house and do laundry. In the afternoon, I go to the gym.
That sounds productive.
Yes, and on Sundays, I relax. Sometimes I watch movies.
I love movies. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. And you?
I like romantic movies.
Haha, of course. Most girls like romantic movies.
Not all girls. But yes, I enjoy love stories.
What is your favorite movie?
Maybe The Notebook.
I have heard of it, but I haven't watched it.
You should. It's really good.
Maybe I will watch it this weekend.
Good idea.
Do you want to go for a walk? The weather is nice.
Yes. Let's go to the park. Look. The trees are so green.
Yes, it's beautiful. I love nature.
Me too. Do you like hiking?
Yes, I go hiking sometimes. Do you?
Yes, but not often. I want to go more.
Maybe we can go together one day.
Yes. That would be fun.
Do you like animals?
Yes. I love dogs. Do you have a pet?
No, I don't. But I want a dog.
Dogs are the best. I have a small dog.
Really? What's its name?
His name is Max.
Cute. What breed is he?
He's a beagle.
Beagles are smart.
Yes, but he is also very naughty.
Ha ha. That's funny.
Look at the kids playing. They look so happy.
Yes, I remember when I was a kid. I loved playing outside.
Me too. I played with my friends every day.
Now we use our phones too much.
Yes, times have changed.
Do you like social media?
Yes, but not too much. I use Instagram.
I use Instagram too. Do you post pictures?
Sometimes. I like taking pictures of nature.
That's nice. I like photography too.
We should take some pictures now.
Good idea. Let's take a selfie.
It looks good. I will post it later.
Tag me in the picture.
Of course.
Emma, what are your dreams for the future?
I want to travel a lot.
That sounds amazing. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit France, Japan, and Brazil.
Wow! Great choices. I want to visit Japan too.
Japan has beautiful culture.
Yes, and great food. I love sushi.
Me too. Sushi is delicious.
Do you want to live in another country?
Maybe for a short time. What about you?
I would like to live in Spain.
Spain is nice. Do you speak Spanish?
A little. I am learning.
That's great. Learning languages is fun.
Yes, but it takes time.
True, but practice helps.
Maybe we can learn together.
Yes. That would be fun. What time is it?
It's 4 p.m.
Oh, time goes fast.
Yes, but it was a nice day.
Yes. We should do this again.
Definitely. Maybe next weekend.
Sounds perfect.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel to support us. Bye, until the next video.